How to invest a lump sum of cash. Hello everyone, my name is Tony and welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss how to invest a lump sum of cash. If you're one of those people who have a significant amount of money and considering investing in stocks, this post is for you. Don't forget to like it and share my post, so let's begin. You don't need to have a large amount of cash to start investing, but what if you receive a large lump sum? How can you invest a huge amount of money? Whether it's from a pension, tax return, inheritance, or even a gift, receiving a lump sum gives you an opportunity to use the money wisely by investing. But it also presents a certain set of challenges. With a sizable amount of cash at your disposal, you can make a lot of investments all at one time. But it will also make you feel nervous and make you wonder if you made the right decision. To help you out, here are some tips on how you can make the most out of your money. The challenges of lump sum investing. Most people who want to invest a lump sum want to know if they should invest their money gradually or spend the entire lump sum in stocks. The answer depends on various factors. What may be applicable for you may not work for others. Instead, you should focus on the pros and cons of each option. Buying stocks all at once. If you invest all your cash in stocks immediately, you put your money to work through the companies that you have chosen. Since the stock market is known for its long-term returns, investing your money in it quickly makes sense. However, spending all your cash on stocks at once also has a disadvantage. If your timing is off, you most likely put all your cash before a bear market or market corrections, although that shouldn't be an issue since buying stocks is a long-term investment that runs for years or decades. Your struggle will be more on the emotional side because you see your portfolio bleed cash. Gradual investments. That is one of the reasons why people would rather divide their lump sum so they could make gradual investments. If you do this, you'll be sitting on your money, and if your chosen stocks go up, you regret that you didn't invest all your money right away. On the other hand, if the market crashes, you have more chances to purchase shares at a cheaper price. It is up to you to choose which strategy you would like to use. What matters is that you are confident about your decision, especially when it comes to investing a sizable amount of cash. Having a sizable amount of money and investing in stocks can be nerve-wracking. Hopefully, the ideas presented above can help you invest with confidence. Thank you for staying with me until the end. Check my other investment videos like Beginner's Guide to Stock Market Investing. Don't forget to like and share this video too. If you have any other suggestions or tips, feel free to leave a comment below. Lastly, hit the subscribe button so you are updated whenever we upload new content. Thank you for being with me. Till next time, stay very motivated.